how can you forward a specific call on the iPhone? So let me talk about it and show you some ways it could work. So let's get started. And if you are new here, most definitely become part of the community so you don't miss anything important. So naturally, the call forwarding can be set up generally if you find the phone app inside of the settings, and if you go there, you can most definitely find the forwarding where you enable it and choose a number to forward it to. So that's something you can do. But when it comes to specific people, it is a bit of a different story because it is technically possible, but it's a little bit more difficult, as I say, because there are only like these tricks, basically, right? Normally you would change it the way that I showed you, the forwarding setup inside of the settings, but you can also utilize what's called MMI codes, which are short sequences of numbers and symbols, and that kind of does it with one tap. So essentially it depends on the country, right? In Europe it might be different than in the US, so it depends, and you'll likely need to get in touch with your carrier to figure out the numbers specifically. But for example, you might use the asterisk 21 asterisk, then you would type in the phone number and the pound, or the hashtag at the end, and this tells the network to send all your incoming calls to the number you typed, right? So you basically, when you dial that number in here, you will basically get the incoming calls to go to that number, right? And to deactivate, people use the pound 21 pound, and this tells the network to stop forwarding and sending calls to your phone again, right? So the way that people use it is that they set it up to be part of a phone contact, right? So if you go to contacts, and you can see that you can create a new contact which is called forward to some different number, and you can save the code as a phone number, right? So you would type in the short sequence at the beginning, then the number and the ending sign, right? And you would save that as a contact, and then when you call it, you can enable it, right? And that is how it would work as a shortcut. As I say, I cannot give you a specific example for the numbers or the short sequence you could use, because this depends on your network, on the carrier, and on the country you're in. But I'm just trying to show you the blueprint that this is how some people use it and set it up. So I really hope that I could at least help you a little bit with this. Let me know what you think below in the comments. I really hope that I was at least a little bit helpful. But thanks a lot for watching, and I see you later in the next videos too.